Guys, it's Daniel from Beardster, and today we're gonna give you 5 beginner beard tips. The first one for me is beard oil is your best friend. It's good for a short beard, long beard, it's good for a mustache, it's good for mutton chops, it's good for every type of facial hair, it's even good for your head hair. Now beard oil is so good because it helps protect your skin, and many beards die each year because people don't use beard oil. Now beard oil is going to prevent that itch, that scratchy feeling that you get generally in the first 2 to 4 weeks of growth, and it encourages all those little hair follicles, all those little, let's say those little holes in your face where the hair sprout out. It encourages them to let hair grow. By using beard oil, you're gonna keep the skin conditioned, you're going to encourage that new growth, and it's going to allow you to get that thicker and fuller beard potentially faster than if you just left it and left the beard and the skin to get dry, coarse, to break up, because you're probably just going to shave that beard off. I think one thing a lot of people do at the start, they see that their beard is getting a little bit messy, and it's normally on the cheek line in particular and the neckline. But let's just talk about the cheek line, because your first thoughts might be to grab your razor and just start doing the cheek line. That's a perfectly normal reaction, because when something looks messy you want to tidy it up, and the way you tidy up a messy beard is to give it a trim. But this is where you will likely mess up and go wrong, especially if you're not used to cutting in your cheek. And the risk is, when you've got a new beard, you're gonna just go a little bit too low, and you might go a little bit low this side and a little bit high this side. So you might have just gone a little bit lower on one side, and you try and even it out, and then you go a bit lower, so you keep evening it out, and suddenly you've got a chin strap beard and you've ruined your beard. So what I would suggest, grow the beard for a month, like just straight out, don't touch any of it, and when you're ready, go to your barbershop, make sure they're good with beards, get them to put a line in for you. You can try and follow it, try and clean it at home once they've put the line in, and do it that way. Now this will also kind of falls into the next bit, is your neckline. When you first grow in a beard, you kind of need to know what sort of beard you want. If you're going for that short beard, your neckline is going to be different to, say, if you're going for a beard like this. Once you've got an established beard, so maybe after a month, but maybe 6 to 8 weeks is better, just do the little trimming trick. You know, 2 fingers above the Adam's apple, a nice curvature that kind of follows your face, and put your neckline in. And then just allow the beard to grow naturally and just maintain that neckline. But I'd say after 4 to 6 months, it depends on how fast your beard grows. That's why we're given such big time frames here of a couple of months. You're probably going to want to slow down trimming the neckline. You're going to need that neck beard to come under and support this chin beard. Don't make the mistake of, after a week or two, trying to do your neckline, your cheek lines and everything, because what you'll find is a lot of people suddenly bring their cheek line all the way up to under their chin, and they just do this chin kind of cut in, and it means they get a face beard. And some people kind of can pull it off, but it's quite an artificial sort of line to put into your face, into your beard, and it isn't the best look. You need to start combing and brushing your beard. It depends on the length. So when the beard is quite fresh, you could get like a decent ball bristle brush, apply your beard oil, brush that comb through, and that's gonna, you know, carry that beard oil all across your beard. It's gonna stimulate those hair follicles. It's gonna kind of exfoliate your skin just to get rid of all that rubbish and impurities on it, and it's gonna do a good job. As your beard starts to get a bit of length, you're going to want to get a decent comb. And even at this length, I still use my Kent pocket comb religiously. Like, I love the thing. But with this comb, what you want to do, from like as soon as you can, really, as soon as you get hairs that sort of start coming off in different directions, is just comb them every single day. Like, have a hot shower, have a hot bath, apply some beard oil, and then comb it in the direction you want those hairs to grow. And as they get longer, they're going to grow into that direction. Now, the final point, and I've seen a lot of people write about this and say that it hasn't affected their beards. I can 100% guarantee it does, because I was on a bunch of the Facebook groups and people were like, oh yeah, I got this hair shampoo with argan oil and I put it in my beard and lathered it up and gave it a really good clean, and it didn't dry out. It made it feel amazing. I thought, no, that's not gonna happen, because I've made those mistakes in the past. I've even just got shampoo in my beard from washing my hair and it dries it out. So you want to stay away from hair shampoo and hair conditioner. You don't want to put that into your beard. What they're designed to do is strip away all your grease and oil, which can be quite good in your hair, even though actually you don't want to do it every day with your head hair either. Imagine what it does to your beard. It's going to get rid of all that sebum, all that lovely growth and rich in oils, and just strip them from your beard. It's going to leave it feeling dry and brittle, and when the beard gets like that, your first reaction is, shit, I've ruined it. And you're going to shave it all off, do it again, do the same things again, and it's a really bad never-ending circle. Anyway guys, let me know of any other beard tips you would give to beginner beard growers, depending on, like, it doesn't matter what sort of length they're going for, just universal tips that apply to all of us. Pop them in the comments below. Let us know if you need any help with any other beard style, hair issues that you've got, and we'll be sure to try and follow up with a video in the future. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.